2025 is almost over. And if you still haven't started selling print-on-demand products online, you're missing out on hundreds of thousands of dollars you could have possibly earned while you're sleeping. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create print-on-demand products on your own, where to sell them, and how to properly market your products so you can start earning passive income and start living life. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva Crash Course so you can keep learning more after this. First, you'll need to create a free Canva account. Head over to canva.com and sign up using your Google account or any available option you have. Once your account is ready, it's time to look for design inspiration. Go to Pinterest and search for t-shirt design ideas that match your niche or aesthetic. Once you find one you like, take a quick screenshot for reference. Next, open Gemini and upload your screenshot. Type in a creative prompt to generate your own unique version of the design. This step helps you create an original artwork that's fully yours. Once you get a version you're happy with, download it and prepare to bring it to Canva. Back in Canva, click Create and choose your preferred canvas size. Ideally, a square or rectangular layout that fits t-shirt dimensions. Upload your generated design, remove the background, and adjust the elements until you're satisfied with the final layout. When you're done, click Share and download your design as a PNG file with a transparent background for the highest printing quality. Next, it's time to open your shop. Here you have two options. You can pay a small one-time fee to open an Etsy store, or you can create a free Printify account and connect it directly to Etsy. Etsy will serve as your product listing platform, while Printify will handle printing, shipping, and order fulfillment. Upload your t-shirt design, select your preferred shirt style, and fill out the title, description, and tags. You can use ChatGPT or Printify's built-in AI helper to generate these for you. Now it's time to market your brand. Create accounts on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok and post your designs daily. Use engaging captions, hashtags, and mockups to grab attention, then link your Etsy store or Printify listings in your bio. Stay consistent, keep creating new designs, and continue posting to build visibility and trust with your audience. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva Crash Course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've just learned how to design your own t-shirt artwork, prepare it for print, set up your online store, and start promoting your products using Canva, Gemini, and Printify in 2025. Keep experimenting, keep designing, and don't forget to check out our free masterclass for more Canva tips, tricks, and step-by-step guides to growing your print-on-demand business. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.